Hi guys, yeah, we have a little thing here. This one is a compressor, yeah? It's an air compressor for using with a certain machine here for cleaning the carpets, yeah. So this compressor, the motor here is a 2.2 kilowatt single phase. You can see it is 230 volts. 50 has 2800 RPM, and it takes a maximum of 12 amps. Yeah. So it has just stopped because it has reached 10 bar. It's supposed to fill the tank at 10 bar. It's supposed to cut. You can see from the indication there it is 10 bar. Yeah, it has just stopped. And okay, this indication it's not indicating so well, but this one has already reached 10 bar. So at 10 bar it is supposed to cut everything. So it has got two capacitors. One capacitor, this one is 35 microfarad. This one is the starting capacitor, and this one is 100 microfarad. This one is the running capacitor. So, and it rotates according to this arrow in the clockwise direction. Yeah. Just a short video, nothing else. It's from Fini. Okay guys. Yeah.